Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Notebook LM, Google's application to summarize your research. It's basically an AI tool powered by the Google so that you can use it for your study or research purposes. It has a lot of very unique features. So I will show you step by step guide how you can use them. So first of all, you have to go to the Google and you have to write Notebook LM. So as soon as you click on, as soon as you write Notebook LM, you will get this website notebooklm.google. Okay, here you can simply write down your research in document form, or you can also upload the document here. Then you will get the summary of your research. Okay, so I have just clicked on this try Notebook LM button. This is the main interface of this website. So as soon as I have clicked on this, we will get this kind of interface. You just need to click OK button. Okay, so for when you will be signing up for the first time or opening this for the first time, you will get this kind of interface. You have to click on this create notebook. So when you click on this notebook, it will ask you to upload your document, or you can also upload it through Google Drive, or you can also attach the link or as well as the copied text as well. So I will go with the link. Let's find out our article first on the Google. Let's say we are going to find an article about antibiotics. So let's say we choose this link and we will just simply copy the link address and then we will paste the link address here. By the way, you can also upload multiple article links here. Okay, so I will just insert. So as you can see that on the left side, it analyzing the link and it has displayed the information on here. Okay, you can also get this information in audio form. You will get the overview in audio. You can also get the video overview by the AI, and you can also get the mind map. Okay, you can also ask different question, or you can get quiz from this your summary. Okay, you can just get the summary as well. So let's try with the mind map first. So I have clicked on the mind map. It has started generating the mind map. So I have given it one source. That was a one link that I have provided. So it will create a, so it has created a mind map for us. So let's see, look at it, how it looks like. So I just click on this and you will see, you will get this kind of mind map. You can click on this and you will keep on getting different things. Okay, so that's all about how you can use Notebook LM for your research purposes. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.